If you think losing weight means meal prepping boiled chicken and grilled broccoli, you're in for a real surprise. I lost 2 to 3 kilos every month while eating out at restaurants, while working a full time job, and without meal prepping overcomplicated or boring things. Hi, I'm Simran Valecha, a certified weight loss expert, and I've lost over 10 kilos myself. I've helped 5,000 women globally lose 2 to 3 kilos a month while eating out at restaurants and living their best life. Today, I'm taking you through exactly what I eat in a day. And I assure you that my breakfast hack will change the way you start your mornings forever. The biggest mistake people make on their weight loss journey is either skipping breakfast or loading up on carbs. That's exactly what makes them hungry all day long. I start my mornings with fat first. 1 teaspoon ghee on an empty stomach. Sounds weird, I know, but it's super effective. It regulates my blood sugar levels so I have fewer cravings. It keeps me full longer so I don't have to snack every hour. And it regulates my hormonal health so no energy crashes. In case you suffer from constipation, you need to start your mornings with fat first. I follow this up with an egg white omelette stuffed with veggies, and this keeps me full for hours. If you're gonna have a high carb breakfast after fat first, there's honestly no point of doing fat first. Let's be real, mornings are relatively easy. The real struggle is when you reach office and you're surrounded by food all day long, especially when you're having a stressful day. I always keep makhana and khakra in my drawer, and in the morning when I get to office and make my coffee, I also keep fruits like grapes and blueberries at my desk so it's easier to eat all day long in case I need something to munch on. I also take milk in my coffee. I don't know why diet culture has just cancelled dairy. 15 minutes before my lunch, I have a glass of warm water so that I don't overeat, especially when I want to try everything from my colleagues' boxes as well. I follow a one box meal rule for myself. It's easy to cook, easy to carry, and easy to eat. It usually has carbs, fiber, protein, healthy fats, and vitamins and minerals. Some options I like to carry are burrito bowl, thai bowl, lettuce and chickpea salad, barley salad, and a paneer bowl. Sometimes after lunch, I may again grab a glass of hot water. Around 3 o'clock, I go for my second cup of coffee, again with milk, but I usually pair it with a snack. Some of my go-to snacks are hummus and carrot, Greek yogurt, or suji idli. I usually pair my coffee with food to ensure that I don't have acidity. Before my workout class at 6, I grab my protein shake. I have some of it before class and some during class. When I come home, I have a snack which is usually sauteed sweet potato or grilled broccoli. And I promise you, if you make it right with the right spices and the right amount of garlic, it's amazing. After I've showered, I have the first part of my dinner, which is mung soup, which is the protein element of my dinner. Some days when I've not had hummus and carrot in the evening, I have it along with my dinner. And when I don't have carrots at home, I just pair it with khakra. My dinner is usually roti and sabzi, and because I love paneer, I eat it at least 5 times a week. But I make sure that I add tons of vegetables to the gravy when making. A lot of people come and tell me that you're not loading up on protein or you're not eating like an influencer. How can you lose weight? But the truth is, if you want to lose weight and keep it off, you have to eat like a normal person. I follow 3 main rules to do that. Load up on protein and fiber in every meal. Follow mindful portions. I've stopped eating directly from boxes and packets. I take everything in a bowl and plate and then eat it. And the third is the balanced plate rule. Every meal, even if I'm having a sandwich for my evening snack, I ensure it's balanced with protein, carbs, fiber, vitamins and minerals, and healthy fats. And let's be honest, I eat out and enjoy my glass of wine almost every weekend as well. If you also want to lose weight while eating out at restaurants, email me at simvalecha@simvalecha.com. If you're trying to lose weight while juggling work, life, social commitments, follow these 2 rules. Load up on protein and fiber in every meal. Focus on achieving consistency instead of perfection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for some more science-backed weight loss tips.